Okay, now you can see this 3000 watt water fog machine. Now we add water inside the water tank. And you need to cover these two spare parts. And you can see here have a white water level. You cover this one is enough. Then you can close this one and connect these two gas hose and nozzle. Connect the power cable. Now we add the fog oil into this tank. Now we add the fog oil into this bottle, and this is water-based fog oil. Okay, now we connect the power cable, add water inside this water tank, add the fog oil into this bottle, and you can see we push the channel 2 and the channel 1 together. Okay, now we add the water into this water tank and add the fog oil to this bottle, connect the gas source and the power cable, the DMX controller, and push channel 1 and channel 2 together. Now we see the effect.
这样的，我看这是，它这个还是漏气，它这个还是漏气。
它前面的喷管那个地方，然后呢，你往过走，来走，你往过走，你走啊。回来。And you can see this is the remote controller, and we push this one, and you can see work. Can you see work on this display? It shows work, shows working. And if you push this second button, it will stop. Shows ready. You push the remote controller, shows working. This display shows working. It will start to back to work again. If you want to use the time quality control, you can see this position shows ready, no connected DMX cable, and you push this one, shows work 100%. Then it will start working. And if you want to quit, make it stop. If you want to make it stop, then push this one. Push this one. It shows ready. Then it will stop. This is time and quality control.